Hey y'all, so this is a little different format. We are going to be looking at a smart book notebook thing. We're talking about symbiotic relationships. So this is going to be notes on all three relationships. You need to write this down either in the back of your ecosystem book, because there's still 2 pages, or if you have your notebook at home, you can just write it on a sheet of paper. Okay. So to start, I'll move this little thing because it's in my way. All right. So malaria. Have you heard of malaria? So what is it? How do people get it? So it says malaria is caused by a protozoan. It lives inside a female mosquito, but does not hurt her. The mosquito bites a human or an animal, and the protozoan goes into the person. The protozoan reproduces and makes the person sick. Keep this in mind. I'm going to talk about the relationships at the end. What do you already think? Okay. So in living together, there is positive, negative relationships, positive, positive, or positive, neutral. Animals have these relationships too, like an enemy and a clownfish. Keywords we're going to be talking about is nutrition. So it's the process by which organisms take in and use the food material, kind of how we get the energy. Competition is the struggle among organisms from limited food, space, and other vital requirements. Niche, the role of the species in the ecosystem. Predator, the one that does the killing, and prey, the one that gets killed. Okay. So symbiosis is just 2 different organisms living together. Basic, generic, as we're talking about it. You can see these are some different interactions of things living together. So mutualism. Write this down. Mutualism is 2 different organisms living together. They both benefit. It is a positive relationship. Like the crocodile and the plover. The plover cleans the crocodile's teeth. The crocodile gets clean teeth. Positive. They're both, the plover is getting food. The crocodile is getting clean teeth. The moray eel and the cleaner shrimp. Thanks. Y'all, I can't speak. Same thing. They're both benefiting. Parasite. It's an organism which feeds on but usually does not kill another organism like a tick. Positive, negative. Tick in a host, a leech in it, mosquito. These are all parasitic relationships. We're going to watch this video. It's pretty cool. For me, anyways. Your reactions. Okay. And commensalism is 2 different organisms living together. One benefits, the other does not. Positive, neutral. Spanish moss on a tree. The moss is getting a place to live. It's getting closer to sunlight. The tree's not really hurt. Doesn't benefit. It's not harm. Mites on a mayfly. These things get in a place to live. It's not hurting a bug. Barnacles on a scallop and a pseudoscorpion on a fly's leg. Pseudo. Know what that word means? We're going to talk about it Monday, Tuesday. A wasp lays its eggs on a caterpillar. When the wasp hatches, they will eat the caterpillar. What type of relationship is it? I'm going to have this PowerPoint pulled up, so I'm going to click through these. We're going to discuss them, and you need to be able to give me the answers in class. White spots on the whale's fin are barnacles. They live on the whale but do not hurt him. A bee drinks nectar from the flower. The bee takes the flower's pollen to another plant, helping the plant reproduce. Aphids live on plants. They suck the juices from inside the plant, making the plant sick. The ants milk the aphids and drink the juice. The ants protect the aphids from bugs that would eat them. We're going to pause here because it's going to pause. It's going to not let me continue anyways. I'll do another video for the last few slides.